Welcome. If you want to install iOS launcher on your CUBOT X19, and first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search bar, and right now you have to type iOS launcher. Click on this application from Looting Developer and click install. Right now click open. Accept all the permissions. And then go back to the home screen. Click here. Then select iOS Launcher 14 and click as always. After that, tap that we got it. And as you can see right now, we can easily use this launcher on our smartphone. We can try to edit home screen icons by tapping right here. As you can see, the animation looks the same like on the iPhone. We can add the battery widget right here, for example. And of course, if you want to customize other things, you have to go back for this launcher and then you are able to change other things. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!